Pompous is really gorgeous, isn't it? It will be hard to photograph because just hard to capture this on camera. Hello from Slovenia again. I have a messy table because it's so hard. I'm still playing with this Pompous from Fluid Art Co. It's a chameleon pigment, and because you don't want to do techniques when you have to pour a ton of color on because they are expensive, I will try to do a chain pull inspired by Fozia Creations. She does some beautiful chain pulls. I really like them, so I will try to do that, but first of all I have to scrape this paint because I spill it. Happens. I'm not good with chain pulls, but I decided to go with this one. Let's see how it will work, if it will work for me at all. I'll just spread the paint and I will tilt it a little bit too. Up. I believe that I don't want to have a ton of paint on the canvas for this technique. I don't know. This is just my thinking. Maybe I'm wrong. This is a messy part, especially with the black. Just want to do my sides to have them covered and to have an even layer of paint on the canvas. Okay, this should do. I will just clean my hands real quickly. Now I will just basically use a chain and put it in the cup where I have my Pompous. I will start right here. And what I saw is that she wait for a second and then she pull. I believe that I have too much paint still for the background, I don't know. Let's do another one. And I have too much paint on the chain too, I believe. So I will overlap them. Okay. Looks better, I think. So definitely have to wipe some paint off the chain too with my fingers. Let me see if you can see some of that on the wet result. No. Oh, here it is. I hope that I will manage. I'm a little behind with my videos. Manage to show you the dry results. Otherwise, you will have to check my next video for the dry results of that Pompous. Maybe it's even good. Maybe you will come back. Joking. So, if there will not be a dry result in this video, please check my next one. Bye. It's not a black canvas. It's a dry result of my chain pull. This is just amazing. I will try to grab it that I can show you all the colors. Wow. Amazing. This Pompous is really gorgeous, isn't it? It will be hard to photograph because just hard to capture this on camera, but wow, oh my god, I love it so much. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.